How to turn off green dot on Samsung phone Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So before starting, make sure your developer mode is enabled. So after that, go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to developer options. Then you have to find quick developer setting developer tiles. After that, simply toggle this on, sensors off, and then here you will see this new to use camera again, simply off it and yeah, it will work again. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.